In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 from Google. And the best part is it's completely organic, which means you don't have to pay for any traffic on Google. Hey guys, my name's Natalie and welcome back to Purely Remote, the channel that brings you all the tips, tools, and resources you need to be successful online. Now in today's video, I am going to be showing you how you can make $100 per day from Google without any paid traffic. Now we're going to be using a marketing strategy called affiliate marketing. Now you may be wondering, what is affiliate marketing? And it's really simple. Basically, you are promoting other people's products or services and you're doing it all online, and every time someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. Now I am going to be walking you through this step by step, so let's get into it. Now first we need to find a product to promote. And that's the amazing thing with affiliate marketing. You don't need to create your own products. You are basically leveraging products that are already created and earning commission from that. So one of the places we're going to look at for today's example is on ClickBank. Now ClickBank is a marketplace where you can find products in almost every category. So no matter what niche or category you are in, you can go ahead, find something to promote and make a commission from it. So first we want to start off by typing in clickbank.com. And once we get here, if you already have an account, you'll just go to log in. If not, you will go ahead and create an account. Now we've already got an account with ClickBank, so we're going to go straight into their marketplace page. So if you click over here at the top, you'll go into the marketplace and you'll see over on the side, if we're scrolling down, all the different categories or niches they have. So things from arts and entertainment to cooking, fitness, education. There's tons of different categories that they have, and I'm sure you'll find something within your niche. So for today's example, we're just going to go into cooking, food and wine, and we are going to see what they have under their recipes section. And if we go over to the top of our ClickBank page, once we've brought that up, now once it loads all of the products under that section, we are going to go to the top over here and click on Gravity. What that does is it will arrange everything for you so that the ones that are most popular or are being sold the most will come up on top. Now I already know for this example, we are going to be promoting something that is keto related. Now a couple of things I want to mention when you are choosing your product that you want to promote, you do want to look at the gravity and you want to make sure that it's around 50 or above. You also want to look at the average conversion rate. So that will tell you how much you're going to be making approximately on each sale. Now you'll also see there's a recurring or rebill section over here, and that basically tells us that there's a subscription option. If your customer chooses to go with that, you could earn potential commission every single month. Okay, so after some scrolling and looking around, I decided to go with this product. So it's a custom keto diet. The gravity score is 154, which is really good. There's also an initial conversion rate of $31 and a recurring commission of $20. So that means I could earn an average of $20 every month by not doing anything and just literally referring someone to this product from the beginning. Also, the average conversion over here that we're looking at is $60, which isn't bad at all. Now, if you click on the affiliate page, it'll give you some more information about the actual product itself. Now, we are not going to have a look at the affiliate page right now. We are just going to get our affiliate link. And to get our affiliate link, we are simply going to click on Promote. This page will pop up over here. You can put in your account nickname, and if you'd like a tracking ID, you can do that as well. But we're just going to go ahead and create our hop link. Now you'll see it created a link here at the bottom. Now, if I send this link to anybody and they click on it and they purchase this product, that is when we would make our commission. This is basically saying this sale came from this account. Now this link is pretty long and I want to make it a little bit shorter and nicer for people. So what I'm going to do is click on copy, and then we are going to go to a site called Bitly. bitly.com. So what Bitly does is it creates shorter links for you. If you scroll to the bottom and you put your link over here, if we copy and paste our link that we got earlier, it will then bring up a much shorter link. So you can see over here, this is what it was and this is what it is right now. So we're going to go ahead and copy that link and save it somewhere. Now we need to head over to Google so we can start promoting that link. So the product we're promoting today is a keto meal plan, and we need to find our ideal audience for this meal plan. So I would look for people who are in the keto industry, people who are looking at weight loss, just to give you a basic example. So we're going to head over to Google and search for keto blogs. You'll see it'll bring up a whole lot of different blogs for you, and you can then go ahead and just click on a blog post that you like. So now that I'm in this blog post, I'm going to go find one of their blog articles and just read and see what is it exactly that they are either blogging about or talking about. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom of each blog post, it will bring a section where you can leave your name, your email, and write a comment. Now this is where we're going to go ahead and we are going to post our affiliate link. But we're not just going to spam and put our affiliate link by just copying and pasting it over there. We're going to read through the whole blog post. Once we've read through the whole blog post, we are going to leave a thoughtful comment and then a link to our product. So over here where I've put thoughtful post about blog plus link, that's where you'll go ahead and post your link, and then you'll just leave something thoughtful about the blog itself. And that's all. So now that we've gone through one blog post, we can go through other blogs and we can continue the same strategy. But I do also want to show you another way for you to find these blogs easier. Again, we're going to go into Google and we're going to type in Google Alerts. Once we've typed that in, it's going to bring up this page for us. Once we are in Google Alerts, we are going to create an alert for keto blogs that are coming out. To do that, we're going to type in our keyword. So we're going to type in keto. Then you're going to go down to show options and we are going to customize this. So how often would you like your alerts to come? So you can either choose as it happens, once a day, or once a week. We're going to select once a week for this example because I don't want alerts on new blogs every single day. Then we are going to go to where do you want it to come from? So from news, blogs, or the web, we want it from blogs so that we can go ahead, read the blog, leave a thoughtful comment, and also the link to our affiliate product. So we're going to click on blogs. Once we've done that, we're going to select our language. Which language would you like the blog post to be in? And then also region. Then we're going to click on only the best results and then where you want them to deliver this email to. So what's going to happen is when these blogs come out, they're going to send an email to this email address that you put in, and they're going to say, here are the blog posts that have come out today with regards to keto blogs. Once we've added our email address, we're going to go ahead and click on Create Alert. Now Google will send you an email every time there's a new blog post that comes up within your selected niche or category. Now this is a super easy way for you to go ahead and start promoting those affiliate links and those affiliate products. But if you do want to learn how you can actually build and sustain a successful online business, specifically within affiliate marketing, we are going to be leaving a link down in the description below. I hope you guys learned something new and you found this video useful and informative. If you did, remember to leave a big thumbs up. And if you're not yet part of Purely Remote, remember we do bring you continuous information on how to build and grow a successful online business. So you may want to consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all the new content we have coming out for you. And I just wanted to say thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this strategy useful. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.